Home insurance versus flood versus fire versus subsidence versus contents replacement. Which one is better for complete protection? Owning a home is a huge investment, but most people underestimate the risks. From natural disasters to everyday accidents, one unexpected event can cost tens of thousands. Many homeowners think a basic policy is enough, but the surprising truth is that different types of insurance cover different risks. Understanding the differences between flood, fire, subsidence, and contents replacement cover is key to complete protection. Let's start with flood insurance. If your area is prone to heavy rain or river overflow, flood cover protects your home and sometimes contents from water damage. Standard policies often exclude flooding, so without it, repairs and replacement can be financially devastating. Fire insurance is essential for all homeowners. It covers damage caused by fire, smoke, or explosions. Fire can destroy a home in minutes, and having this cover ensures your property and possessions are restored or rebuilt without you having to pay out of pocket. Subsidence insurance protects your home if the ground beneath it shifts, cracks appear, or the foundation becomes unstable. Though less common, subsidence can lead to major structural damage, and repairs can cost tens of thousands. Most standard policies include limited cover, but in high-risk areas, dedicated subsidence insurance is critical. Contents replacement cover is designed to protect the belongings inside your home: furniture, electronics, clothing, and valuables. It ensures you receive the full cost to replace items, not just their current market value. This is especially important for families with expensive possessions or sentimental items. So, which type of insurance is best for complete protection? The truth is, a combination works best. Buildings cover for structural damage, flood, fire, and subsidence for environmental and accidental risks, and contents replacement to protect your belongings. This layered approach ensures you're fully covered no matter what happens. Home insurance isn't just about compliance or ticking a box, it's about peace of mind. With the right combination of policies, you can rest easy knowing your home and everything inside it are protected from life's uncertainties.